Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a Costco haul. This one is very tiny. We just went to pick up some other stuff that we needed. So these are 2 packs of organic strawberries. We go through strawberries a lot. And the next thing we got was apples. Again, another thing that we go through a lot in this house. Of course we got eggs because we have been cooking a lot of pastries for my daughter, so we need another stack of eggs. We do have a cart from last grocery haul that we did, but we needed a little bit more. We go through ranch a lot. I haven't bought ranch in a very long time, but my son really likes it, so I got that for him this Costco haul. And then we got Cholula. We'd use Tapatio all the time, but they don't have it in Costco, so we opted out of that and we just bought Cholula as a replacement. We just like to have little hot sauce with soups and things like that. Another thing that I bought was dates, and this is actually for our emergency kit. I saw that we didn't have any dates in any of the emergency kits that we have in case of any disasters or anything like that, and I decided to buy that for that occasion. The next thing we got was, of course, ketchup, and I actually ended up putting one of these in my emergency kit. I am going to put a video of that if it's already up. We'll link it up in the description box. We also got a 12-pack of tuna, again for emergency kit, so I put that in there. The other thing we got was these organic cuties, and my son really likes these, and so does my daughter. And yeah, so the next thing we got for our emergency kits were these Sarzibis and Benadryl packs. We always try to restock those every time we see that they expired. The next thing we got is more for my husband. He really likes these pastries that they sell, and he keeps them on hand. Sometimes he gives one to his dad whenever he comes over or whenever he wants to have a treat. We tend to hide them from our kids because we don't like them having them so much. We were running out of soap, so I got the 16 bar of soap with the beauty bar with deep moisture from Dove. My husband really likes this bar. I use organic bars from Whole Food, but he's like a religious user of this, so I just got that for him. Another thing we've got with these medical gloves, just because of this whole virus going on, I'm very paranoid, and so I just got those. We also got a pack of garlic. We were running low on the garlic, so we just got that. We also got some carrots for carrot juice. My husband loves to put juice, so this is one of his favorite juices that he makes. It's the carrot. And my daughter really likes that because carrot's very sweet, so she really highly enjoys that. Another thing we got was the 21 grain from David. I think it's like the David bread, and my husband really likes this for sandwiches, so we got that. And I hope you guys like this very short and Costco haul. I hope you guys are staying healthy, and I'll see you guys in the very next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.